What's the meaning of baking powder? Baking powder. Baking powder.
Baking powder. Baking powder. Baking powder is a dry leavening agent used in baking to help baked goods rise and become fluffy. It is typically made up of a mixture of baking soda, cream of tartar, and a starch or flour such as cornstarch. When combined with moisture, it releases carbon dioxide gas, causing doughs and batters to expand and rise. This chemical reaction occurs when the ingredients are mixed and then exposed to heat in the oven. Baking powder is commonly used in recipes for cakes, biscuits, muffins, and quick breads. It is important to note that baking powder is not interchangeable with baking soda, as they have different chemical properties and reactions.